Nestled beneath the watchful gaze of Lion's Head, in the vibrant city of Cape Town, stands Kloof 119A, a testament to architectural ingenuity by SAOTA. This family home, a study in contrasts, presents a stoic façade to the bustling street, a traditional Cape stone wall hinting at nothing of the breathtaking panorama it conceals within. This deliberate restraint creates a sense of anticipation, a quiet prelude to the symphony of views that unfold as one steps inside. The home's design is a masterclass in maximizing its privileged location, capturing a sweeping vista that encompasses Table Mountain, Lion's Head, Signal Hill, the city itself, and the distant Boland Mountains and winelands. The most striking architectural feature is the inverted pyramid roof, a bold stroke that serves a dual purpose. Not only does it lend a distinctive aesthetic, but it also ingeniously creates a clerestory window that encircles the upper level. This design choice is pivotal, opening up views of Table Mountain and Lion's Head that would otherwise be obscured. More than just framing the landscape, this architectural flourish invites the sky into the home, allowing the sun and moon to play their part in the daily rhythm of the house, deepening the connection to the natural world and its cyclical dance. The house unfolds across 3 distinct levels, each carefully curated to offer a unique experience. The uppermost level, bathed in natural light and commanding the most expansive views, houses the heart of the home, the open-plan kitchen, dining room, and lounge. This is where family gathers, where stories are shared, and where the city's vibrant energy becomes a backdrop to daily life. The mid-level is a more private realm, dedicated to work and rest, housing the family's bedrooms and workspaces. Finally, the lower level, tucked away yet full of potential, accommodates the garage, gym, cinema, and a guest room, providing spaces for recreation and retreat. Each level seamlessly integrates with its own set of gardens and courtyards. These verdant extensions of the mountain landscape cascade down towards the house, acting as natural screens that shield the home from neighboring buildings. More importantly, they foster a profound connection with nature, allowing light and air to permeate spaces that might otherwise feel dark and secluded. These gardens become intimate pockets of tranquility, blurring the lines between indoors and out, and enriching the living experience. Inside, the atmosphere shifts to one of warmth and sophistication. A muted color palette creates a sense of calm, while the use of washed oak infuses the spaces with a natural, inviting feel. The interior design is a study in understated elegance, allowing the panoramic views to take center stage. The carefully chosen materials and finishes create a sense of harmony, a quiet backdrop to the drama of the surrounding landscape. The sophisticated spaces are further enhanced by the presence of OKHA furniture, adding a touch of contemporary elegance. The Hunt sofa, the Nate, Nicky Nouveau, Vince, and Miles armchairs find their place on the upper and middle levels, providing comfortable and stylish seating areas. The Plan Alto dining table, a striking centerpiece, anchors the dining area adjacent to the second-floor courtyard, which cleverly doubles as a working or personal space. Even the lighting is thoughtfully curated, with OKHA's To Be One and Lean On Me floor lamps casting a warm glow in the lounge area. Kloof 119A is more than just a house, it's a carefully crafted experience. It's a dialogue between architecture and landscape, a celebration of natural beauty, and a haven for family life. From the restrained street presence to the breathtaking interior views, every detail is meticulously considered, creating a home that is both grounded and aspirational, a place where the city's energy meets the tranquility of nature.